Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. This drive takes us along Old Baton Rouge Highway, a historic roadway running through southeastern Louisiana. Long before modern interstates reshaped travel in the region, routes like this served as primary connections between communities along the Mississippi River corridor. Old Baton Rouge Highway generally parallels what is now Interstate 10, passing through parts of Ascension Parish and communities such as Prairieville and Gonzales. While traffic here is slower and more local, the road offers a glimpse into everyday life away from the interstate. This area has deep roots stretching back centuries. Before European settlement, Native American tribes lived and traveled throughout the Mississippi River floodplain. French and Spanish colonists later established plantations and trading posts in the region, shaping the rural landscape that still defines much of the area today. As the drive continues, the mix of homes, churches, small businesses, and open land reflects gradual suburban growth that accelerated in the late 20th century. The construction of Interstate 10 in the 1960s shifted long-distance travel away from older highways, but roads like this remained vital for local movement and community identity. Old Baton Rouge Highway also reflects the cultural fabric of South Louisiana. This is an area where Cajun, Creole, and Southern influences intersect, seen in local architecture, food traditions, and place names. Even without major landmarks, the road tells a story through its quiet continuity and everyday use. As the drive moves forward, Old Baton Rouge Highway offers a slower, more grounded view of Louisiana, one shaped by agriculture, river history, and long-established communities. watching.